Hi guys, so in this section we'll learn about innerHtml. innerHtml to change the HTML text. So what I have done here, I created an HTML file. Okay, so this I created this paragraph. Class is para, and this is all text 1, all text 2, and another thing I created para 1, para 2, and this is another paragraph with the same class name. Okay, and this is change style function. I'll just show you this. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm getting the element with class name and I'm putting, so this is a inner HTML tag, so we can change the tag on HTML page. So this all text 1 will be replaced with new text 1 and all text 2 is replaced with new text 2. Okay, so let's test this thing. There, run. So while clicking submit button, this is all text 1, this is all text 2. Just click this button. See, this inner HTML is changed. Using inner HTML we are changing the text. Okay, so next example we'll see how to merge these two, hello there and from the moon. So we'll see this, how we can do this. So this is on button clicking, we are calling this function change style 1. So now we have to call change style 1. I'll just show you the code. So what I'm getting element by class name para1. So this is para1, this 3 element will come. Okay, then I'm getting this 0 and 1 inner this text from this two para, hello there and from 1 there. And then what I'm doing, I'm just merging these two and putting in 3 para, like this paragraph 3, this para 1. Okay, and then I am just removing this text from this first two paragraph. Okay, here see, I'm just putting blank thing. So let's see how it will work. Just go, I'm calling this function change style 1 and run in launch in Chrome. When you click submit button, see both one merge and put in third one. Okay, thank you.